Hello, and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast. This is the second in the series of Along the Railway Line. To find out where we are, let's go over to Future John and the railway map.
Thanks, John. We will be going along the South East Main Line. This runs from Charing Cross and Cannon Street on the northwest part of the map, down to Dover Priory on the southeast corner. But in Series 1 of this line, we will only be concentrating on the stations between Sandling and Marden, leaving out Ashford as we are only looking at the smaller stations on this line. And this video is all about Westenhanger. Westenhanger was opened in 1844 by the South Eastern Railway Company. Originally designed to serve Hythe, it gained the branch line to Sandgate in 1874. Westenhanger served as the main station for this junction until 1888, when Sandling was opened. It had a small goods facility and a very small signal box placed on the west end of the coastbound platform. Redevelopment of the line and station has always occurred here, but the construction of the Channel Tunnel rail link in the early 2000s meant a new road bridge had to be constructed over both lines, with new access via stairs to Platform 2. Looking down the line towards Sandling, you can see the incline of the line quite clearly, as well as great views of the Channel Tunnel rail link to the left. This was completed in 2003. The unusual station building was built in 1861. The building, seen here, has different coloured bricks, especially on the western side. For such a small station, it is incredibly grand. The racecourse, seen here, was served by a small two-platform arrangement just west of Westenhanger. However, these platforms closed in the late 20th century, and Westenhanger is now the primary station for this facility. At time of recording, passenger services are provided by Class 375 electric multiple units. Class 395 Javelin trains also pass through this station. On the entry to Platform 1 you will find some platform information boards and general information signage, some information posters. On the platform itself there is an assistance point and electronic ticketing machine, as well as the onward travel information board, a small waiting shelter, as well as some bike racks under the bridge. On Platform 2 there is also an assistance point, some informational posters and another onward travel information board. There is also a basic waiting shelter as well as dot matrix displays on both platforms. The statistics for Westenhanger are that it opened in 1843. It has one train per hour off-peak and at weekends, with additional services to Cannon Street during peak hours, and the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 80,168. Westenhanger is now a small unassuming station, but still retains some of its charm with its impressive station building, albeit not being used. Fantastic views of both the South Eastern Main Line and Channel Tunnel rail link are to be had here, and if you are lucky, some freight as well could be seen. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much, for watching.
Staplehurst, Marden, Haddock Wood, Tunbridge, Sevenoaks, Orpington, London Bridge, Waterloo East, and London Charing Cross.